It has been raining since morning. Since morning it has been raining. Guys, from up there to down there, this is the wall, and when I pass here I see your support. All this, the wall is your support. You're the one who supported me building this wall. So I want to open here. So want to start working here. I'm just coming from purchasing the summit. Biko sawa kabisa, junafanya hata kazi. Sawa. So sawa.
Kuna fundi mgani hapa vitu hapo? Kuna fundi gani hapa?
Oh, even this one for the mixing the concrete. They are ready, they want to start mixing the concrete. Jeshi, wani bomole dishi tafadhali jeshi. So I bought 20 bags of cement because of the heavy work that is here today. We want to do we put the slab inside there, the living room. We put the slab inside the living room. Just so this is the master bedroom. They have started plastering. So this is the master bedroom. They have started plastering it, and also here we're putting timbers on. Ona, niko nauliza aje jeshi. Hizi timbers zinaweka hapa hivi. Na huko hapa nani zitatosha kweli? Hapa. Ama nitaongeza tena zingine.
Sasa tena zingine.
Na huko na ile nyumba nyingine? Na bedroom.
Bedroom pita ni hapo ikuje tu.
Unajua sasa naongeza mbao zingine. I bought 20 bags of cement in the morning, and so far they've already used all of them. I bought 20 bags of cement, and so far they've used all of them. I've remained like 2 cements, and they still want to work inside here. They still want to put the slab. This one is like a story house. A story house slab, because this room is so big, so huge. So this is the place that they have put the slab, in this room here. So we have done in this room. All the rooms we have done with them. All the rooms. So this is the only part that have remained. This part here, in the living room. And also we are putting the timbers for the ceiling board, so that when they're plastering, they're making them strong. Because you can see even Daniel's ceiling board has gone down. So that's how we are learning. Learning from the mistakes. So you can see this ceiling board, we put the timber for the ceiling board. The way they are plastering, they're making them strong, so that the ceiling board, the gypsum cannot come down. You can see the way they are plastered. When we be putting the timbers again, our ceiling board cannot go down. So this is the man who's putting those timbers.
Yeah.
Yes. And he's using the hose pipe to put the timbers. So there's no corner here. We're making sure that everything that we're doing here is very, very strong. So I bought in the morning 20 bags of cement. Oh, I bought 20 bags of cement in the morning and they are over, so I need to go and add more so that I can finish the work. I need to go and add more so that I can finish the work. So maybe I can go and add more 10 more bags of cement, so that means that today have used 30 bags of cement. I'm going to add 10. Because I'm going to add 10, there will be 30 bags of cement. So after they've done with the sitting room, living room, they're going to put the slab here in the veranda, in the front punch. I'm coming from purchasing another 10 bags of cement. So today I've used 30 bags of cement. I'm still waiting. I know they'll tell me to add more. And also this is the fourth trip of tuk-tuk. They're bringing water here. So this is the fourth trip. Because the work of today is putting the concrete. Yeah? In a tip, yeah? Oh, in a tip, yeah? So, and a little more. So that is the third trip, so he's going for the last and the fourth trip, because I told him today is supposed to bring fourth. So they're still working on. In this part they'll plaster the house. Afu jamani anakushinda plaster. Hey.
Changanya ule uko korewa wanatumia zote.
Paying the transport. Now I'm using my motorcycle to this John Vlogs. All the way from Nairobi.
Yeah.
How is Nairobi?
Nairobi is good.
Yes.
The life is so good.
Yes.
But I should have money. Because you buy everything.
In Nairobi.
Here in the village, I can come here and drink water, eat, but there you should buy anything.
Yes.
Anyway guys, here John Vlogs _Kenya. Check me out. Lift me to 1,000 subscribers. Your support is appreciated.
Yes, so it's bringing me some materials, some cement from the construction there. Now I've added 10 bags of cement, so I have to take him to go and for them. So we're plastering our house, also putting the concrete, also digging the septic. Yes, work. And also they were putting these valleys for the iron sheet, and they're going to finish today. So today they're going to finish with the roofing. Yes. Unataka hapo kweli? Huh? Ken God.
Hello.
How is it?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
I heard you saying the roofing will be done today.
Today.
Oh, everything.
No, just roofing. Yeah, with roofing, everything.
With roofing.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So maybe you can, they're saying when you are done with roofing.
Yes.
Yes.
I was just asking if today they will be done.
Yes. They're saying that when you're done in the roofing,
Yeah.
you're supposed to slaughter something.
Oh.
Even your community, they do that.
I don't think.
You don't think?
Yes, I don't think.
Maybe.
But us, maybe you can slaughter for the big achievement that you have done. But on your side here, it's like even if you start foundation, you have to do a celebration, everything. So on our side, I think it's not a must. I don't think so.
On our side, everyone has been doing this.
Yeah, on your side, everyone is doing it, and you have to. We are waiting. We are really waiting. Guys, this is Ken God. By the way,
Yes.
have you stood at a place there?
Yes.
Then have you looked at your roof?
No. Maybe I can go understand it.
Banga.
Banga.
I'm telling you. Right now,
Yes.
I just don't want to say, but Fadela should go for MCA.
I'm telling you, it's a banger.
Look at that, imagine. Look at that. Look at that.
Even in this video, I was saying that my house so good.
Yes.
Is that you don't see the whole house.
Exactly.
If I could have even something like a drone that's showing you the whole house, how it looks like, how it's planned.
This is massive. Congratulations, bro.
Thank you so much, bro.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And this part we're going to put the grill and we put the glasses like grandma there.
Oh, Oh, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay. Hey, that design is very nice.
Yes.
Very, very nice. And by the way, on our side, we are preparing
Food.
We are preparing
You know, when I think we're going to do the celebration on 31st
on 31st December.
December.
Okay.
Maybe I think it's only one day, just tomorrow. So,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I think we were supposed to start preparing the place to cook.
Oh, to cook. We can't cook back there because no space, no big space.
Maybe we can arrange
yes.
this place so that people can be eating in this part.
In this part, yeah.
Yes.
So cooking will be here.
Yes.
Then people can be eating on this. Because to be honest, on that,
if
we're not for the, if they had not started to dig the
septic,
we could
but
have
you know, on
there.
my side, when I'll be done with the house, my outdoor kitchen will be built
back there. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is Ken Gore.
Guys, this is I am underscore Ken Gore, the CEO of the stomach. Our fire is burning like the one which will be in hell. Thank you so much. Keep supporting Fadela, keep supporting us over here. May God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, yes.
John Vlogs. Yes, and how are you guys? It's been a while.
Umekasirika. Umejam. Mimi niko najua jamani fundi. Niko najua jamani fundi. Niko najua jamani fundi. Fundi na nimani nitamsoma tena.
Ndio fundi, kesho tunampa kazi.
Ona mnakumbuka hivi?
Tunazitolea.
Mnakumbuka mnazitolea. So guys are working inside here. Hello? This is the fourth trip. You can see the water is full. So you can see the cements are only out of 10 that I've just brought right now. I've remained with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're still working. Hey. You can even see the sun is almost coming to an over. Guys, they're using a lot of cements inside here. They're using a lot of cements.
Cheki bosi, hapo ndio ndani. Angalia hapo chini. Utafuta ukuta wapi? Chini, inadai. Naona kupigia manyoka nyoka. Bosi, nikupigia manyoka nyoka nipunguze sementi.
Piga tu kazi mzuri.
Ya, basi sawa. Changanya bubu, weka maji. Usio mwingi kweli. Usio mwingi.
They're using a lot of cements here,
Changanya basi.
but the work is so good. So good.
Leta huku pale ndio huku. Kwani huku basi unaweza panda
So good. Everything is going on very, very well. They're really working very well. And they're also putting these timbers. You can see, so this timber, the one for the ceiling board. So how they put them here when doing plaster, the plaster is holding the timbers. So it will be hard for the timber to break down. Still on this place, still we're putting the concrete, and they are really putting very well. So this is the only place that have remained. But you want to go for lunch, and then after lunch, they'll come and finish the remaining place. Yes. You are trying to remove this big. Oh. So they're taking lunchtime. It's lunchtime, so you're trying to remove these big roots for the fence that was there. At least this place to look so good. So people are taking lunch. It's lunchtime, and the progress is going on very, very well. So it's lunchtime, so people are taking lunch. So people are taking lunch. So there's some people working in the septic. Remember jamaa kuja kula lunch. Wanasema aje? And take lunch. Yeah, after lunch they're just coming to finish over here. After lunch they're coming to finish over here. You can see the roof man is just finishing in this part. This is the only place that have remained. So it's finishing. And inside here also the plaster man, they're using a lot of cement. They're really using a lot of cement inside here. You can see. But you can see the new look of the master bedroom. Pia kuna fundi wa on your roofing.
Wawili, ekea huyo mwenye ako huko chini. Hapa.
So, taking lunch here, eating skuma and meat. So they've done digging the foundation until now to measure to see how many feet they've dug so far.
Ndio nimesema ni kindi.
Hebu peleka kwa ile side nyingine. Ukae makini. Sasa mimi stop hapo. So you're measuring that this place 10 feet.
Sinaona 10. 11 ndio hii hapa juu.
10.
Chilia futi.
10 feet. 10 feet. And 1 feet we agreed 1,000. This 8 by 11. And deep depth is 10 feet. So I want to go and look for them for money. Also the people are plastering the house. Also this roof man is finishing putting the roof. So I'm going to pay them a lot of people here. Today is the day that I've been having a lot of workers in the construction site. Also this mason from Tanzania is the one who is in charge of plastering the house. So this is the new look of the house. They're almost finishing plastering it. They're almost finishing plastering it. So even inside here,
Kwanzia hapo unaweka vigai. Kwenda juu bado itakuwa gharama sana.
so tomorrow we'll be finishing this part. We have not put the window, that's why we have not plastered it. So yeah, good work here. Very, very good work. Oh, at the pima. What's the pima? So we want to measure them before we cook them. So we are measuring them. This is cook man.
Yeah.
Come on, hello.
I'm good.
Yes.
I'm happy my boss has called me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uncle.
They are also fine. Get well. Before you are together, ama.
Kabisa.
Hey.
So I want to confirm the timbers.
Wataja kusalimiana sana.
I'm coming from paying the mason. Today I've been carrying this bag since morning because it's carrying some power bank, a GoPro, and also the phone. You know, I'm fearing to lose anything here. So that's why I'm wearing this thing here. So we've been working here. I think we have done for the work of today. And this container not mine, and for the person who is working on the tuk-tuk. That's why they're still outside here. But inside the house, we have done with putting the concrete all over. You can see this is the living room, and it's so big, and also used a lot of cement inside here. Also the concrete. This is the living room. You can see the. Maybe I can go there so that I can show you very well. Sasa Jeshi, wewe useme tunakulipa kitu tunalipana vizuri. Sasa kulipa kitu kabisa.
Nitakuja.
So this is the person who is dealing. Sikutakuja?
Nitakuja na mtu wangu kuja kazi. Sasa maneno.
Unaweka hadi gypsum?
Piga kila kitu. Hebu nikuonyeshe kwa simu yako ni kama kuna bundles.
So tuongee. Sawa.
Ukiandika free. Andika Evans Mwita ama andika Evans Mwita.
Sawa. Kesho umesema siku nyingine? Fadela, fight on Fadela.
Alafu. Ndio nataka kubook kwa appointment ya kuja mkutane na.
Hakuna shida. Sawa. So this is the person who is dealing with the roofing. So they have done. So let me be inside there so that I can show you the progress. How it's treated. So namalizia tu hapo So this is the only place that I've remained for the roofing. So also outside here we have done digging the septic tank and also paid these men here. The main reason for digging the septic tank because of the molar, and you can see now I have a lot of molar. So tomorrow I have agreed the people will be putting the molar here. Before they put the molar, I told them I don't want to see the molar on the walls. So they tell me they were not having the space, and even the molar was enough in my backfilling my house. So we agreed that tomorrow they will come because today they have dug 10 feet. So we are going to stop there. Then tomorrow we'll move all this soil that is in the foundation, is in the wall perimeter also, that cannot push my wall to bend or to make even my wall to get a crack. So tomorrow we'll be removing them, and maybe we'll be levelizing here or even in the front place there. Yes, and inside here you have done putting the concrete all over the place. You have done putting the concrete all over the place. You have done putting the concrete, and you can see all bedrooms. This is bedroom 2, toilet, bedroom 3, dining, kitchen, veranda. We have done. So tomorrow I still have some remaining concrete, some remaining plaster. So I'm going to buy the cement so that I can finish this place here. In the veranda here, in the back punch veranda, and also in the front there. Yes, that's the place that I'm supposed to go, and that's the place that I'll be working tomorrow to finish them. and you can see they've been putting these timbers, these ceiling board timbers, so that when you're doing the plaster, the plastering cement, it can go and stick in the pillar, in the timbers, to make them very, very strong. Because you can see even Brian today, the ceiling board came down, but when they put these timbers the way they put it here, it's going to make them very, very strong. And you can see they're almost finishing. The only remaining that place in front of there where there's a window. So that's the only place that they're finishing plastering the house. So this is the toilet, so they're doing here because they're going to put the tiles, because this is the toilet and the bathroom. So this place they did not work on it because they're supposed to put air ventilation. You can see. So I'm only going to plaster this master bedroom, and I've already plastered it. I was only to plaster the master bedroom, and I have done on it. So maybe tomorrow I'll be working on the. So tomorrow I'll be working on the putting the. So let me get inside there because there's lights. It's in the late evening, almost 6 p.m. So tomorrow I'll be working on the. Tomorrow is the date 30. So tomorrow I'll be working on the removing those stones from there. Also putting the concrete on the back, on the punch, back punch and the front punch. And also we're going to put the windows and the doors. So the work of tomorrow is to put the windows and the doors, and no, tomorrow we're not going to plaster the house, and finishing putting the concrete. So that's the work of tomorrow. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for being supportive. Thank you so much for supporting me until here. I'm really appreciating your support. I don't take your support for granted, guys. Yes, thank you so much for being supportive. Tomorrow is date 30, and you can see a lot that I've achieved. I've really achieved a lot, and I'm really grateful for everything that I have achieved this year. I'm really thankful for everything that I have done this year. For my subscribers who supporting me, for the subscribers who supporting me, thank you so much. You can see the good work that you have done to me. I'm really appreciating it a million times. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for being supportive. Continue supporting for the TV. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Kiko tuna add basi. Ona akiweka na kwa gari. Kwa gari. 13 Tuweka kwa calculation na kwa 12. This is 13. So 12 plus
26. 13, 26.
Oh, 26.
11.
Plus 11. Plus 15. So we are buying timber for the ceiling board. We have took 500 feet of timber given for the ceiling board in my master bedroom. So I decided to start with the master bedroom to seal it. So this one is for the master bedroom. So these are the selling timbers in Nyabuansi, just this Nyabuansi town. So these are the selling timbers. We came to promote them. So we have took 500 timber, and each was selling it at 20 shillings. So 500 times 20, that is 10,000. So this timber is for 10,000 just for the master bedroom. For the master bedroom, because tomorrow also I want to start I want to start doing the plastering in master bedroom. So yeah, there's a car which is coming with the fuel, so they're trying to stop it, and then we pass our timbers. Huh? I have here my motorcycle. My motorcycle is here. Today it has been raining all from morning until now. It has been raining. Anoka. It has been raining since morning. Ona usipita pale site. It has been raining since morning. So twende.
Suko nyuma.
So we're going back to construction site. So let me go there so that you can see what is going on. So, and they say that when you're finishing putting the iron sheet, you're supposed to slaughter something for the people to eat. So I've not yet slaughtered anything because they have not yet finished it very well. They're supposed to put some, let me show you inside the house. There's some things that are supposed to finish so that I can say maybe I want now to slaughter something because they've done with the roofing. So there's this thing, they call it valleys. So this is where they're putting the timber. There's a lot of things inside here. There's some iron sheet, remaining iron sheet. There's windows. So these things, there's a lot. These ones, they're calling valleys. They're like almost 50, I think 70. These ones. So I cannot slot anything because we have not yet finished putting those things of the iron sheet. So the day will be done on it. Maybe now I can plan and we slaughter something. So that I can slaughter something. And we're almost finishing the year. And this is one of the biggest achievements I've done in my life. Not even this year. This is the biggest achievement I've done in my life. Also building my mom perimeter wall, building my house, building the chicken coop. Oh, I'm really grateful, guys. I don't complain because from where I was up to here I am, I'm so grateful. You can see. Wow, I cannot complain about this. I'm so grateful for everything and for everyone supporting me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'm really appreciating your support. I don't take it for granted, guys. Hey, I'm telling you. Yes? Gani? Nilikuwa nasema umebeba matiko akija kupata nayo. Ni moto. Matiko akija kupata nayo. Hata era nikupe ingine nayo sokari. So yes, I'm telling you what I've achieved this year. When I was forgetting the motorcycle. Like I've spent it like almost Kenyan shillings, like I guess going to 4 million. 4 million within 5 months. Within 2 months, 4 million. Let me see how much is that in USD. So I've been googling. You can see that is almost 30. Oh, is it 4 million or 2 million? Yes, I guess 2. So I'm going to do the calculation, but I'm sure it's almost 3 million. So let me calculate 3 million. I'm not sure of it, so I'm going to sit down and know everything that I've been doing, I've been buying. Oh no, data connection. So it's almost 20,000 USD I've spent it so far. Almost 20,000 USD. 20,000 USD. 20,000 USD. The house, iron sheet, like iron sheet costed 4,000 USD. The wall costed The old self costed almost 4,000 again USD, over 4,000 USD. The chicken coop costed over 150 US, no, over 1,000 USD. The wall for my mom, the gates, the bush stones, the gate. Like right now we are in the putting the windows. Also the windows has costed almost $1,000, and that was the person who was cheap. Everyone was coming to do the work for the windows and the doors. He was telling me over 200 Kenyan shillings. That is over 2,000 USD. But the one who came here told me just 900 USD. So he was at least much better than the others who came here, because I went for them and I was seeing who is much better and whose work is good. And the person who is doing for us here is the one I've been working with him here. I thought he was so expensive because I was seeing me on camera. But later, after coming with those two people who were doing the welding, is the time I realized that he's much better than the rest. So that's why I decided to still work with him. So they're just finishing putting the store. After they're finished, I'm going to close it because it's still early. The person who is guiding the store has not yet arrived. You can see a lot of four. You know, I lost these keys, so I decided to buy these. If the person who is maybe making the security here is the one having the keys, you cannot find this one, the new one. This one. Charlie? So let's close. Ufunge tu zilikuwa hiyo ndani ziko hizo mbili. So closing, then we go. If this space could not be here, you could not be seeing the whole house. Just be sitting there. But because of this space here, I have to come here and then you see the whole house. You see, the house is so beautiful, so beautiful. You can be seated on top of the balcony of the master bedroom. But this one maybe I'm going to design and put something good on top there. So here will be glasses. And this one is an open veranda. Here will be putting the tiles. You can see our master bedroom from here. You can just see the level, even the dining room. Here, there you just see the kitchen. When you're here, bedroom 2, master bedroom, living. There's bedroom 3, public toilet. You can see the house. Here I'm going to put the grill like the one which grandma is having. This place here. Just going to welding, they do the grill and then we put glasses on top. Like the dancing grandma. So let me confirm how this person have closed the doors. Ona, ifungua in your gate.
This one. Like this. This.
So this is how I've closed. Nobody can enter inside here. Yes, sir.
The gate. Sorry for the inside.
3 keys for the
These
doors.
these two for inside. This for out. And this for
So even the security man cannot access that house. That's why I decided to put a lot of keys. Even if somebody come breaking the house, he cannot break all three padlocks and then he enter, and the person who is guiding here just sleeping in this house. So it can be a lot of words. So don't trust me. I don't trust people. How I've lived in this village, from where I was. I know everything. So I really don't trust anyone. I don't trust anyone. Tunaanza na hii. Funga hiyo kwanza. Hiyo. Afunga hiyo sasa. Afunga hapa. Hii nafunga hapa. So we're closing. Also I want to go back in my house it's late in the night. I want to go in my house, I upload the video, then I sleep, I pray God so that tomorrow we can see each other here. Yes. I've not been feeling well in my stomach. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to eat because yesterday I took a lot of medicine, but today I've been feeling the same thing. Maybe today it has been even more painful than the other day I took the medicine. Maybe the medicine I took from that guy is the one which affected me. Because yesterday I took the medicine from the person who is working on from the hospital. Maybe now I can go to the pharmacy. Yes, I look for another medicine because the one I took yesterday and the one I took the other day with the Maasai man, they don't work. So I want to go to the pharmacy and I took the medicine. So let me first pay this man here. It has been raining since morning. Here have Kasasi. Yes, it has been raining here since morning. So let me pay this man, then I go to the hospital, I took the medicine, then I go back to my house.